Hi guys, this time this is the one that we're gonna open and see inside what kind of tooth cleaner is that. Brand name InSmart Wireless. This is wireless. You don't need the wire, just as wireless you can clean your teeth, as you see guys. This is the package: wireless, convenience, easy tooth cleaning, InSmart. Say, let's go ahead and open it. I hope we're gonna like it. Then we can use, or I can buy, I can buy all my kids that I have 2 kids, and if it's good enough, and I will buy for them also. Why is good this product? Because without wire you don't, says, you charge, and I think you charge, I don't know. Oh, let's try to understand. This is the one product. Oh, there is a plug, and so how it's gonna work, I don't know, but I will try to understand. Of course, you have to put things that maybe in here, right here. Let's open it. Oh, here. So all the cleaning material is here. All right. What else? The box that you can use it. Oh, this is the cable. So why is it wireless? Why are they saying wireless? Well, I think you're gonna charge. Yeah, what I know, the other also teeth cleanings are wireless. I don't know what's the difference with this guy. Anyway, but I will try this. If it's good enough, and I will continue to buy. Yeah, this is the one, as you see, InSmart. And this is the cable. This is all the material that you will use it. And after using, I think if you don't use it, then we can put it in this box. And here you are. This is the item. Let's see, and we will try. Let's read the instruction a little bit. If it's maybe we don't need it. Anyway, so I just wanted to show this item that maybe it's gonna be good. This is the item, InSmart. It says that wireless, but wireless convenience is a tooth cleaning, portable oral irrigation. So I don't know, it says wireless, but you have to charge, and then after that take it out the wire, then you can use. Alright guys, take care, bye.